Printer ng Genramol ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na merong 67 meters na total. Printer head, capping, head clean, pupunasan ng rubber wiper pagkatapos mag head clean, nozzle check, white, colored, ink system tama lang, waste tank nilinis kahapon November 12, ground wire, ABR, ito yung mga in-use natin na consumable, unused. Ito naman yung DTF. Ang stock natin ay sakto lang. Nakagamit tayo ng isang powder, cleaning solution, DTF film, daily output. Daily checklist maintenance. Printed na consumable codes. Yan lang po, salamat.